What's up, credit family? It's your boy, Mr. Credit Banking, and I am back again with another video. In today's video, we're going to discuss why you should never cancel a credit card. Guys, unless that credit card has an annual fee, you should never, I repeat, never cancel that credit card. Because if you cancel that credit card, like say if you pay off your debt and you say, you know what, I'm tired of that credit card, I'm going to cancel it so I don't get tempted again. You know what? Put that credit card in a sock drawer, freezer in the refrigerator, whatever you got to do. But don't cancel, because when you cancel that credit card, you're going to hurt your age of credit, guys. Don't cancel. You're going to lose all of that credit history that you have on that credit card. Just put it away. Use it like once a year so the bank doesn't cancel it on you. But don't cancel it, guys. And use it once a year, buy a banana or whatever and pay it off automatically. But don't cancel it, guys. It's very important to keep that credit card until you die. Your kids should cancel that credit card after you die. So don't cancel that credit card because it's going to hurt your age of history. Mr. Credit Banking out. Peace.